Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make an omelet for your baby, step by step. First, gather your ingredients. You will need 2 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of breast milk or formula, and a small non-stick pan. Whisk the eggs and milk together until they are well combined and slightly frothy. This ensures a smooth texture for your baby. Always make sure all ingredients are fresh and appropriate for your little one's age and any dietary considerations. Next, it is time to cook your baby's omelet. Heat 1 teaspoon of unsalted butter or a baby-safe oil in your small non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Once the pan is warm, pour the egg mixture in, making sure it spreads evenly across the bottom. Cook the omelet for about 2 to 3 minutes or until the edges are set and the top appears mostly firm. Remember, we want a soft omelet, so avoid overcooking. Now, let's finish cooking and cool the omelet. Gently fold the omelet in half, or you can leave it flat if you prefer, and cook for just another 1 minute. This ensures it is cooked through. Once done, carefully remove the omelet from the pan and place it onto a clean plate. It is crucial to allow the omelet to cool completely to a safe temperature before you offer it to your baby. This makes it easy to handle and safe for their little mouth. Finally, it is time to serve your baby's delicious omelet. Once it is cooled, cut the omelet into small, bite-sized pieces or thin strips. This makes it easy for your baby to pick up and eat as a finger food. For younger babies, you might want to mash it slightly. Always supervise your baby during meal times to prevent any choking hazards. Remember to introduce new foods gradually and watch for any signs of allergies or sensitivities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.